This video is going to show you how you can disable comments from YouTube. If you do not want people to comment on your YouTube video, well, I'm going to show you how you can do that. This is it. You could see after I've did it, you see comment are turned off, and then I did it back, comment are turned on. So without much ado, let us get started. So if you want to do that, you must make sure that you log in into the video that you really want to turn on the comment. So here it is, and then I click on the video. You just go to content and click on the video, and then you just scroll down. So once you scroll down, you will see the permission section. You see comment and rating. Can you see disable comment and hold all comment for review? And then if I click on disable comment, you have to hit on save. So once you hit on save, it's going to say changes saved. And then I want to show you that video. This is the video that it has the comments already. So I'm going to refresh it. You can easily open it, and then once you just refresh, depending on your network connectivity, you will see that it's going to say comments are turned off. Comments have turned off. So it's loading, and then I'm going to go down at the comment section. Now can you see down here it is saying comments are turned off? So that is how to disable a comment on your YouTube video. If you love this video, hit on the subscribe button, like, and comment. I'm gonna see you in the next video.